In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize content and manage permissions in Miro. Miro is a powerful collaborative platform designed to help teams work together creatively and productively. In order to maximize your effectiveness with Miro, it's crucial to understand how to properly organize your content and manage permissions within your workspace. First, let's discuss how content is structured in Miro. At the top level, we have teams. These are your primary collaboration units. Under each team, you can create spaces. Think of spaces as categories or departments, such as marketing or onboarding. This helps you cluster similar work and manage it under a single umbrella. Within these spaces, you can organize your work further by creating projects, like Quarter 2 Sprint, allowing you to group specific tasks or goals together. Finally, under projects, you'll have boards, which are the main workspaces where your team can brainstorm, plan, and execute projects. This hierarchical structure is designed to help you manage your content intuitively, ensuring that everything has its place and can be easily accessed by the right people. Spaces and projects provide an excellent way to group related boards together and control visibility across different user groups within your team. To share your boards with others, you can click the Share button on a given board. This feature allows you to invite users in a few ways: by entering their email addresses, selecting a space or a team, or even choosing to make the board public. Miro gives you flexibility in determining how your team's work is shared and viewed by others. When you invite someone to view or collaborate on a board, you need to determine the level of access they should have. Miro offers three options here: can edit, can comment, or can view. It's important to choose the appropriate level of access based on the user's role and the nature of the boards. Access permissions at the team and space levels are inherited by default, but you can customize these settings at the board level if you need to grant different permissions. Sometimes, you might need to remove access to a board completely. To do this, ensure that you revoke access at both the board level and any relevant space or team levels. A useful tip for managing access is to place users in individual shares rather than assigning them broad, team-wide permissions. This approach provides you with greater control over who has access to specific content, making it easier to keep your boards secure and well-managed. By understanding and implementing these strategies in Miro, you'll be able to organize your content effectively and maintain robust control over permissions, enabling you and your team to collaborate seamlessly and efficiently.